Quiet reliable. The Tetra Whisper Power Filter uses 3-stage filtration to create clear clean water. PF10 treats aquariums up to 10 gallons. Absorbs ODORS Ultra-Activated. Carbon removes both odor and water discoloration. Catches debris. Dense dual-sided mesh filters debris and fish waste. Innovative cleaning power. Integrated Stay Clean technology reduces buildup on glass and binds small dirt particles to make them easier to filter. Cartridge Refills Change. Cartridges monthly. Uses medium-sized Tetra Whisper Bio-Bag Cartridges. Refills sold separately. Age range description. All ranges. Included components. Whisper PF10 aquarium filter, 5 to 10 gal. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful little filter. I bought this for my 10 gallons tank and this thing is powerful. Most of the time when the water level goes down and the filter runs out of water, you have to refill the filter to get it going again after you refill the tank, but besides that, I feel this filter cycles water very fast. You have to be careful how much media you put in the back because it does overflow out the sides back into the tank, so therefore the dirty water isn't going through your media, so you can't overfill. Not the best filter for a betta fish. If you are going to have a betta fish, then I suggest adding a sponge to the outtake, because the flow is super duper harsh. I am using it in a 10 gallons that has a betta. My betta makes do. I feel it's doing good getting the tank clean, and that's what matters, especially for the price.